Hi, this is Dan at DH Squared, and here's another video for you. Before I start, if you don't mind hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell, I would very much appreciate it. So I'll bet you didn't know the iPhones came with a built-in noise generator. I didn't know it until just recently, and I'm going to show you how you can activate it. So the way you do it is, first you go to Settings, then you scroll down to Accessibility, then scroll down to Audio Visual, then go to Background Sounds, and this is where you can set the volume and so on. So if you go in and pick Stream, let's say, and then click back, and then you can turn it on, and there you have background sounds. Now these background sounds will play through whatever else is going on in your phone, so that's something to keep in mind. But let's go ahead and turn it back off. So the sounds are off now, and that's pretty much it. But that doesn't seem very easy. It seems like a lot of steps to turn this thing on and off. So I'm going to show you an easier way to do it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to create a shortcut for it. So we're going to go to the Shortcuts app. When you're in the Shortcuts app, the first thing you got to do is click the plus to create a new shortcut. Then we're going to click Add Action. Then we're going to click Apps, scroll down to Settings. When you're in the settings screen here, you can go ahead and tap Set Background Sounds. And by default, all this shortcut's going to do is turn it on. So if you tap here, you can also make a shortcut to turn it off. Or you can tap on it and hold it and tap on Ask each time. So then each time you activate the shortcut, it'll ask you if you want it on or if you want it off. So while we're here, let's first change this. Let's rename it to something shorter that'll fit, that'll look better on an icon. And I'm going to call it White Noise. And then click Done. And then I'm also going to change the icon so it looks like something, because we're going to actually create an icon for this. So let's just change it to something that we'll recognize as being white noise. So I'm going to select that. And then select Done, click Done again, and there you go. Now it's not going to show that icon on this screen, because what we need to do from this point is actually go back in, click on the three dots, click the down arrow, and then click Add to Home Screen. And this is the icon that's going to show up on the home screen. And we can select Add. Now as you can see, there's a new icon on our home screen. And if we tap it, it's going to come up to this screen and it turns on the noise automatically once we select Done. So now the noise is on. And if we tap it again, we have to toggle this off and then select Done. And then it turns off the noise. So there you have it. That's an easy way now to turn the noise machine on and off. If you found this to be useful, please let me know in the comments. And again, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I appreciate you watching. Thank you.